Hello, dear drivers. Today we'll tackle an unusual traffic rules quiz. How to pass at a hellish intersection. Question. An uncontrolled intersection with equal priority roads. Which car goes first and which last? Answer options. 1. The truck and taxi go first, the blue car goes last. 2. The taxi goes first, the red car goes last. 3. The blue car goes first, the truck goes last. 4. The red car goes first, the taxi goes last. 5. The truck goes first, the taxi goes last. 6. The truck and taxi go first, the red car goes last. The correct answer to the problem will be waiting for you after analyzing the situation. Don't rush to look at it. Try to solve the problem yourself. Situation analysis. What the traffic regulations say. At such intersections, you must follow the traffic regulations. That is, let vehicles approaching from the right pass, obstacle on the right. Correct answer. The truck, which has no obstruction on the right, will pass first. The red car will follow, since the obstruction on the right. The truck has already passed. The blue car will then follow suit. Finally, the taxi will move last. So, the correct answer is number 5. The truck is first, the taxi is last. Be sure to let us know in the comments if you were able to solve this test and your answer. Subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video with your friends.